Oh my god, it's Father's Day and I have no idea what to draw. Wait, I got it. We need to search for some inspiration on Instagram. Apparently nothing on Instagram inspires me, so we need to search for some mystical powers to save us. Oh, holy Meliodas, dragon sin of red of the 7 deadly sins, please help me out of this problem. Grant me the power of ultimate creativity. Alright, now that I got the ultimate power of creativity, let me share something personal with you guys. It's Father's Day, that means you need to spoil your dad a little bit more than usual. I've never experienced the full celebration of Father's Day, other than going to my girlfriend's parents and celebrate Father's Day there. And that's because I never grew up with a dad. Not that it is a bad thing, because I turned out great, my mom raised me really well. I know he didn't die or something, he just bailed, but I'm sure he got his reasons. Last time I saw him was like, I think 20 years ago. Anyway, I turned out great, and who knows, if he was in my life, I wouldn't even become a YouTuber. So here I am making this awesome sketch for you bradas, and if you're still here watching and enjoying my video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel. That would make my day fantastico. Now let's continue with our sweet ass drawing. Okay, I took a quick break to play some League of Legends with some friends. And yeah, we lost. So let's just do something we're actually good at. That's drawing some sweet ass lines.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Wow, look at them, so thick and delicious. Speaking of delicious, I'm starting to get really hungry. Shh. Are we going for some mangoes today? Maybe I can reach these. Nah. You know what? We can't reach them. Plus, I don't even want that. Hey, wouldn't it be so cool if pineapples could grow on trees like this? Okay, never mind. Let's search for a pineapple. No, this ain't a pineapple. Yeah, this is what I like. Now let's go eat it. But first, let's take a big sniff at it. Alright bradas, let's prepare for the coloring. But I'm still a bit hungry, so let's eat some delicious chicken and fries. We always paint our chicken red. It makes it even more delicious.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Now that we've eaten all the red paint, we need to burn it out of our system. So let's take a quick jog. OMG, that felt really great. Now let's continue our coloring.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, eat faster to waste oxygen.
Okay bradas, we're all done. Take a good look at this awesome signature. It's going to be really famous someday. Whew, okay, I'm tired as fuck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao!